Just to reiterate a couple of points that the governor made, we are now into the second week with our new framework, really to work with counties. And I just want to say a deep, heartfelt thank you to all the county health officers, boards of supervisors, many others who've been in communication over the weekend, over the last week about this framework and how it impacts their counties, how it rolls out statewide, and really just an continued unprecedented level of partnership and gratitude to all of them. Again, this concept of slow and stringent is really important for California as we begin to see the reductions in case numbers, the reductions in our hospital and ICU numbers overall. Those are all very promising signs, but gains that we want to make sure we hold on to. And that as we enter flu season, as we go into winter where certain activities are harder to do outdoors, we want to make sure as a state we go in with the lowest levels of transmission. And our framework really is designed to help us get there. Again, as the governor mentioned, 4 colored tiers. Widespread is purple, substantial is red, moderate transmission is orange, and minimal is yellow. And each of these on a weekly basis, every Tuesday, we'll be announcing where counties are relative to these tiers. Last week, or 2 Fridays ago, we announced the official first unveiling of this, where each county landed. And then we said today we would be reporting the second reporting period of this framework and updating all of you and all of the counties where any movement happened. So that's what I'm going to do with you next. So just to remind you, when we first came out with this tiering system, we had 38 counties in purple. That was widespread. We had 9 counties in red, 9 in orange, and 2 in yellow. We had said, just as a reminder, that a county will remain in a tier for at least 3 weeks and will only move to the next tier if they've met that next tier's threshold, data thresholds, for 2 consecutive weeks. So this week, we announced that we moved 5 counties from purple tier to red tier. That's 33 counties now in the purple tier, 14 in the red. Orange and yellow stayed stable at 9 and 2. And that's only because we're requiring counties in red, orange, and yellow to spend at least 3 weeks in each of those tiers. So next week, we may see some movement between red, orange, and yellow, so stay tuned to that. In terms of the counties that moved to red, it's 5 counties, as I said. Amador, Orange, Placer, Santa Clara, and Santa Cruz all moved from purple to red, meaning that they have now met for 2 consecutive weeks the threshold around data metrics. That's the test positivity and the adjusted case rates that we track over a 7-day period, for a 7-day average with a 7-day lag. And each of these counties now has moved into red, and you can go to the state's website, covid19.ca.gov, and see what exactly that means in terms of sectors that are open through the state health officer order. But I'll remind you to double check your own county website where there may be further restrictions a little bit stricter than where the state is.